Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Noam Elimelech from Lezhensk. This week's Parshas, Parshas Toldos, we read Vela Toldos Yitzchak ben Avraham holy is Yitzchak. It says these are the offspring of Isaac, the son of Abraham. Abraham begot Isaac. Perish Rashi Zal Yaakov Esav Amorim B'Parsha. Rashi says that this is a reference to Jacob and Esau, who are mentioned later in this paragraph. We could explain this in a way of hinting. The Yitzchak remez l'din v'Avram remez l'chesed ki yadua. Isaac represents the archetype of strict justice, and Abraham represents the archetype of kindness, as is known. It's also cited that when it comes to saints, they start off with pain and end with pleasure and peace, but the opposite is so for the wicked. So Toldos Yitzchak ben Avraham, and this is the meaning of these are the offspring of Isaac the son of Abraham. That for a saint, first comes the din, comes the strictness, and then comes the kindness. Avraham is Yitzchak, and Abraham begot Isaac. That after kindness there is a birth to strict justice. Rashi Yaakov Esav Amorim B'Parsha, when Rashi says that it's Jacob and Esau who are mentioned in the paragraph, it means that this hint is stated in the paragraph in this Torah portion. Yaakov and Esav, and it's said about Jacob and Esau that Jacob, being a saint, began with difficulties but ended with peace, as we said above, and the wicked Esau had the opposite in his life. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.